Hey everyone, it's Kevin and I'm back with my HTC U11. What I'm going to do in this video is a video test using the back camera there, which is recording at 4K. So I'm going to go out and I'm not going to be placing any emphasis on the audio. The real test here is how this smartphone performs in low light. I'm doing a separate video with the front camera, which is 1080p, but again this one is 4K. You can record at 1080p and smaller resolutions through the back camera as well, but I'm going to stick with 4K in this video, and we'll see how this smartphone performs when you're relying on light from outside and things like that, and we'll see how it performs under poor lighting conditions. So I'm walking out in the street and you can see, although it's dark, I mean it's 11 o'clock at night, during the summer months, especially June's the lightest month of the year, it doesn't get fully dark per se, plus there are street lamps, so you can see it there. Now when you get into the shade a little bit more, things are obviously, the lighting isn't as good, but it's not too bad. My first impressions are that most people are going to be quite impressed with the quality of this camera, the back camera, the main camera. They're going to be quite impressed with this if they're using this at night time when they're outside. If you're at a party or you're outside, or if somewhere it's well lit, I don't think you're going to have any problems with this. So hopefully you can see me in the shot using the back camera. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. It is a lot better, noticeably better than the front selfie camera. Better low light performance. I'll go up that alleyway that I did with the front camera test, the selfie camera test, and I'll just show you what it's like when there's a lot of shadows and not much light. So it's a lot darker in this street. Still street lights, but should be able to see that it's this area struggling for light. It does perform a lot better than the front camera when it comes to low light performance, without a doubt. It's very impressive. So I'm coming from the Google Nexus 6P, so I'm noticing a big difference because that's a phone from a year and a half ago, but I think most people would be fairly happy with this. And it's certainly going to rival the Samsung S8, if not beat it in some respects. So that was how the HTC U11's main camera performs at night time when it's low light. Now I didn't go into a completely dark area, and it is the summer in Scotland. June is a lot of light. It doesn't get fully dark. It's the complete opposite in winter when it's dark at like 5 o'clock. I did find that the front camera struggled with low light a little bit in the alleyway when there wasn't a lot of light, and I thought that the main camera performed a lot better. I think the larger pixels, the larger sensor, it really does let in more light. This is the thing, it's only 12 megapixels at the back rather than 16 megapixels at the front, but it lets in so much more light, and it became apparent when it was in the alleyway when there wasn't a lot of light why they've chosen such a sensor on the back. I was really impressed with it. I think it's pretty good in low light, very good in fact, and I don't think anyone's going to have a problem recording videos with this phone when they're out in a city, they're on their holidays, it's dark. I think they're going to get good footage with it. The front camera is not as good, but I think it's still good, impressive for a smartphone. But it's really exciting because I think for me it's quite exciting to see over the next few years we're going to get to the point where we don't have to buy smaller cameras because our phone does it all. Let me know what you think about it, guys. Let me know what you think of the performance, and please do check the other video for the front selfie camera so that you can get a contrast between what both sensors can do. So please do leave a comment below. I really do appreciate the feedback from you guys, And stay tuned, I've got some more videos on the HTC U11 coming over the next few days. Speak soon.